Hey you guys, so I really want to do this really fun challenge that I've seen online. So I'm getting my family to do the cotton ball challenge. Yes, we are going to have a little family fun doing the cotton ball challenge, and make sure you stick around all the way to the end, because at the end I'm going to give you 3 ways to turn this challenge into an educational experience. Hey fun people, welcome to Everything Ajin. If you're new here, hey, I'm Ajin. Each week I help families just like yours with family fun and education. Join this amazing community by liking, subscribing, and clicking the bell. Today I'm getting my family to do the cotton ball challenge, and at the end of this video I will be giving you 3 ways to turn this challenge into an educational experience for your family. Alright, so in order to do this challenge, each person will need a blindfold or something to cover their face, bowls, plates, a big kitchen spoon, and of course, some cotton balls. Each person will put a plate or bowl over their head, blindfold themselves, and have a plate or bowl of cotton balls in front of them. And then you have to see in 60 seconds who can put the most cotton balls using their big spoon from the table to above their heads. And believe me, this is much harder than it looks.
On your mark, get set, go!
Winner of round 1 is this one. We are now on to round 2.
On your mark, get set, go! Ding, 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 ding. We have all 3 losers.
All right, let's count them up.
12. I got 12.
You have 12?
9, 10.
Round 2, this one won. Y'all, we gotta have a round 3, because I am not losing. 1, 2, go.
This is what you call a winner over here. He's cheating. Who got 3? Somebody got 3. Man, I ain't gonna talk about
You're officially the king of the cotton ball challenge.
King of the cotton ball.
Alright, so you guys, this really was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I really can't believe I lost every time. Yeah, normally I'm a winner. I guess my husband's just a little bit better being blindfolded. So go ahead and get your cotton balls, because you must have this family fun experience with your family. And if you want to change this to an educational experience, I'm now going to give you 3 ways to turn this challenge into an educational experience. Tip number 1, at the end of each round, go ahead and have every single person count up exactly how many cotton balls made it to the top of their head. Then you can ask your child questions like who had the most or who had the least. This will actually help your child work with one-on-one correspondence, and the cotton balls pretty much become hands-on manipulatives in order to help your child count. And then you can take this even a step further by having them write that number on a sheet of paper or dry erase board. Tip number 2, if your child's a little bit older, you'll now ask them different questions. So you can ask them who had the most cotton balls during this round, who had the least amount of cotton balls this round. This helps them compare numbers. Now tip number 3, I'm going to break down into 2 separate things that you can do with your child. The first thing is, after you've already had them count up exactly how many cotton balls each person got at the end of each round, they will make a graph using those numbers. So they'll go ahead and make a bar graph of exactly how many cotton balls each person in their family had during each round. So they might have 3 separate graphs. Then you can ask your child questions such as, how many more cotton balls did Kenny have than Aja? Now you're asking them to do addition or subtraction. And then you can ask, how many cotton balls would Aja need in order to have the same number of cotton balls as Kenny? Woo! Now you're adding in Common Core questions. And now you have your child counting, comparing numbers, creating graphs, and even doing addition and subtraction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. If you're looking for even more ways to have fun with your family, then watch my Fun and Games playlist. See you later.